We are back at the cottage making drinks, and today we're making another fantastic tiki drink, the Jungle Bird. Let's get to it. So this drink is going to start like most tiki drinks with some rum. I am of course using Appleton Estate, so 1.5 ounce of our rum into the glass. Now the next ingredient is really what sets this drink apart. We're using Campari, which is an Italian bitter liqueur. So if you've ever had a Negroni, that bitter flavor, that's where it comes from. So we're doing a full ounce of Campari. And that's really gonna play with the sweet flavors. It's gonna make this drink slightly bitter, not too bitter, because we do have some sweet ingredients in there. Next up, pineapple juice. Fresh pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces. Some lime juice to follow up. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Like I said, it does have some sweet ingredients in there, but the Campari just plays really well with it. All right, like most tiki drinks, we are going to add some crushed ice. You know that I like to crush my ice with a Lewis bag and a mallet, so smashy smashy, and you've got yourself some crushed ice. Fill the glass, grab your tin, flippy move, and get her down there, seal it up, give it a quick shake. Now, this is a crushed ice drink. We don't need to shake very long, about 10 seconds. It'll chill, it'll dilute really quickly with that crushed ice. We will be serving this one in a rocks glass. You could also use a fancy tiki glass. You could use a Collins glass, highball, really whatever you want. There's no big rules on how to serve this one here. As always, if you got room left in the glass, top off with more crushed ice. You really don't want to skimp on ice, especially with crushed ice drinks. If you have less ice, it'll actually dilute faster, so don't skimp. All right, for garnish, classic tiki garnish, we're going to do some pineapple fronds, some fruit. We've got an orange slice, a pineapple slice. It's looking good. And there you have it. There is your Jungle Bird. Oh, let me just fix up the garnish there. It's got to look good for the B-roll. And there you have it, sitting on the back of the boat, our lovely Jungle Bird cocktail. As I mentioned, if you're someone who doesn't really like tiki drinks because you find them too sweet, this is the perfect drink for you. It's got the sweet ingredients, got the pineapple juice, got the simple syrup, but with that Campari, it really balances out. You've got the bitter, you've got the sweet, you've got the rum. It's a fantastic drink. So cheers, enjoy your amazing cocktail out by the lake. And we will see you next time. Don't forget, guys, to like the video, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll be notified when we make new videos. And if you have any suggestions, videos you want to see, comment below. Let us know which cocktails to make next. Odin is 9 months old, so he doesn't really know how to swim yet. He's doing his best. He'll get there. But he's a Newfoundland. It's in his blood.
Come on. Good boy.